usishosha impumputhe ziyavona nezithulu ziyeza tunavula zikhiphana ingane yelele kuyolamula igazi ongenamandla kahle hlelele igema lethu ngicela nidede fula indlela ngibona i-roadblock bona bavalile njengenkani singena ngenkani inquduku thina sayikwaza ngenampondo sikhiphe esibayeni fula indlela 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 siluphondo lukaphetshana uyelele thina siyabisa bayabuza ukuthi thina sibuyaphi sizilwane omabona kulawane sinenhlanga thina sicatshiwe sinamandla ngathi sidla ama-steroids fula indlela 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 fula indlela.
Man, we started from the bottom, yeah. Scratching planning till we there. We know the road is maky, yeah. We know the road is bumpy, yeah. But the focus on Kentucky, yeah. Slowly rolling till we there. Oh Lord, hear my soul. Can you hear my niggas? Yeah, no time for girls like Kiki, yeah. Smash your work like Johnny there. When it goes, I wanna score this year for parties. No, I'm not there. Busy walking with my brothers, yeah. Perfection and we're uploading, yeah. You niggas better be aware.
Music is what holds the world together. This world, the next world, and the previous world. And we have all of that running in our pulse, running. That's what music awakens, quickens, brings back to life, brings all of us to life. And the committee, by choosing me, is making this amazing statement that music is not just about music. But what's so powerful about music is it's about everything else in the world.